focusing on me, camera. Focus on the food. Oh. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan, with me, Erin Wells, and you read that title correctly. Today we're making vegan crab stuffed mushrooms. Let's get started. We are starting off with some stuffing portobello mushrooms, pretty much in between the size of a small bella and a large one. And I'm gently taking off the stem and scooping out some of the inside just to give myself more room to stuff. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up in a second here. Look at that, nice and clean. All right, now I'm putting these in my cast iron skillet, and I'm actually including some regular sized bella mushrooms as well, guys, because I had some in my fridge. I am drizzling with olive oil to prepare them to be roasted. Now I'm gonna take some steak seasoning and sprinkle that on top as well. Don't do 2 passes like I did, just 1 pass is enough. I'm not making burgers and I did too much. Salt and pepper on your mushrooms, season it up. And then I roast it on 350 for 20 minutes. Now let's do our crab. I got heart of palm, I'm showing you the size here, and that I got it on sale for $1. Woohoo! So I'm gonna cut them up just in little crab size pieces, as you can see here, but cut them as small or big as you desire. Here is our mixture, and no, I'm not letting those mushroom stems go to waste. They are going in there as well. Now to season it up, I'm gonna give a whole little container of seaweed here. Rip that on in there because anything from the sea needs seaweed. Garlic and onion powder because they are bay. Put that on in the bowl. Now, of course, Old Bay. I don't like traditional Old Bay. I like the garlic and herb the best. So I'm putting that in there, about a teaspoon, maybe a little bit more. Mixing that on in there. Oh, it smells so good. My mushrooms are out. Now you see they're still way too juicy, so I'm flipping them over. The oven is still on 350, and I'm gonna put them back in for about 5 minutes, but I actually ended up putting them in for 10 minutes. Now to get our mixture all nice and steamy, taking some butter, I'm gonna put about a cup of Daiya cutting board series mozzarella. Use your favorite cheese. I know y'all be coming for Daiya, but that cutting board series is that girl. Now I'm putting in some frozen spinach that I had in my freezer, and look at that. Oh, yes. My mushrooms are out of the oven. Now I am turning them over and letting them cool a little bit. I am now taking 1/3 of the container of cream cheese, mixing that on there. Look at that creaminess. Look at it. Now there is no rhyme or reason to how I'm stuffing these mushrooms. I'm just doing it. But here you go, stuff away. Obviously the ones that were made for stuffing were easier than the small baby bellas. The oven is still on 350, so we're gonna stick it back in. But first we're gonna top it with Parmesan cheese from Follow Your Heart. It's gonna cook for 10 minutes. I let them cool. They were in the oven for about 10 minutes. I let them cool for another 10 minutes. As you can see, I'm touching the pan. So let's give these bad boys a taste. They smell so good. Look at it, little cutie booty woody woody. It's so cute. I'm gonna eat you though, I'm so sorry. That is so good. My only thing is, if you serve this to someone who does not like mushrooms, that back end got that boom. The mushroom is still so juicy. So if somebody don't like mushrooms, that like, you did get that mushroom taste on that back end. But besides that, it's really good. The mixture is really bomb. I don't know if I already said in the voiceover, the rest of it I'll probably put on a sandwich, because I'm not a big mushroom lover either, unless it's as a burger with some bread on it, cause yeah. All right, so I am joined here with
Karen.
Yes, it's her first time on the channel.
Hey everybody.
You want to plug anything?
Just Pamela Bennett Fitness. We also have Club Spin, where we get our ride on. Yes. And we're trying to do plant-based. So, yes, yes. I've been vegan for 2 years. That's how I found her. Ooh, she the best. She the best. That's why I got crumbs on my mouth.
she had my vegan fish dog. But we are here to try out my crab stuffed mushrooms. So she's gonna give her honest opinion. So here we go.
All right. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna stop trying to be cute. Put the whole thing in my mouth. Okay, that's good.
Yay!
And what's all in there again?
Okay, so this is actually the crab.
Look at my finger. Okay.
The crab is heart of palms. Heart of palms cut up. I marinated in
It's good, y'all. It's good.
Yeah.
I can't wait till she cut that camera off so I can get another one. Okay? All right.
All right, y'all, make this dish. Bye. As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Peace.